How much does Sony Bravia 75-inch TV weigh? The weight of a Sony Bravia 75-inch TV varies based on the model, display type LED, OLED, or mini LED, and whether the stand is attached. On average, it weighs between 65 pounds, 29.5 kilograms, and 100 pounds, 45.4 kilograms. 1. Weight of Sony Bravia 75-inch LED TVs. Most 75-inch Sony Bravia LED TVs weigh, without stand, 65 to 75 pounds, 29.5 to 34 kilograms. With stand, 70 to 80 pounds, 31.8 to 36.3 kilograms. These models are lighter compared to OLED or mini LED versions. 2. Weight of Sony Bravia 75-inch OLED TVs. Sony Bravia OLED models are heavier due to their premium glass panels. Without stand, 75 to 85 pounds, 34 to 38.6 kilograms. With stand, 80 to 95 pounds, 36.3 to 43 kilograms. The A80K and A80L series fall within this weight range. 3. Weight of Sony Bravia 75-inch mini LED TVs. Sony Bravia mini LED models, like the X95K and X95L, have advanced backlighting, making them slightly heavier. Without stand, 80 to 90 pounds, 36.3 to 40.8 kilograms. With stand, 85 to 100 pounds, 38.6 to 45.4 kilograms. These TVs require sturdy wall mounts due to their weight. 4th, factors that affect Sony Bravia 75-inch TV weight. Display type. OLED and mini LED models are heavier than standard LED TVs. Stand or no stand, the included stand adds extra weight. Materials used. Some models have premium metal or glass construction, increasing weight. 5. Best wall mounts for a Sony Bravia 75-inch TV. For TVs under 80 pounds, a standard Visa wall mount is sufficient. For TVs over 90 pounds, use a reinforced heavy-duty mount for better support. 6. Handling and installation tips. 2 people are recommended for lifting and installing. Check VESA compatibility for the correct wall mount. Use a sturdy TV stand if wall mounting is not preferred. A Sony Bravia 75-inch TV weighs between 65 pounds and 100 pounds, depending on the model and display technology. Ensure you have a strong mount or stand for safe installation and stability.